McLaren is a renowned British automotive manufacturer known for producing high-performance sports cars, supercars, and hypercars. Founded by Bruce McLaren in 1963, the company has a rich history in motorsports and has transitioned into a successful road car manufacturer. Below are the key details about McLaren cars. 1. Founding and history. McLaren was founded by Bruce McLaren, a New Zealand-born racing driver and engineer, in 1963. The company initially focused on motorsports, particularly Formula One racing, and achieved significant success in various racing categories over the years. 2. McLaren Automotive Division. In 2010, McLaren established McLaren Automotive as a separate division dedicated to producing road-legal cars. The company's headquarters is located in Woking, Surrey, England. 3. Model lineup. McLaren's model lineup includes various series, each offering a unique blend of performance and technology. Some of the notable series and models include: Sports Series includes models like the McLaren 570S, 570 GT, and 600 LT, known for their accessible performance and daily drivability. Super Series features the McLaren 720S, celebrated for its exceptional power, aerodynamics, and technology. Ultimate Series houses the limited production McLaren Senna and Speedtail, which represent the pinnacle of McLaren's engineering prowess and innovation. GT Series offers a more comfortable and practical driving experience, with models like the McLaren GT designed for grand touring. 4. Design and engineering. McLaren cars are known for their striking and aerodynamic designs. They often incorporate advanced materials like carbon fiber to reduce weight and enhance performance. The company places a strong emphasis on aerodynamics, with active aerodynamic elements that adjust to optimize downforce and stability. McLaren vehicles feature mid-engine layouts, rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive configurations, and advanced suspension systems to deliver exceptional handling. 5. Performance and technology. McLaren cars are renowned for their high-performance capabilities. They are equipped with powerful engines, often twin-turbocharged V8s or hybrid powertrains, delivering impressive acceleration and top speeds. The company utilizes advanced technology, including adaptive suspension systems, active dynamics, and cutting-edge infotainment and driver assistance features. McLaren also incorporates hybrid technology in some models to enhance performance while reducing emissions. 6. Limited production and customization. Many McLaren models are produced in limited numbers, adding to their exclusivity. McLaren offers extensive customization options for customers, allowing them to personalize the interior and exterior of their cars to suit their preferences. 7. Motorsports heritage. McLaren has a rich history in motorsports, including numerous Formula One championships and victories in other racing categories. The company's motorsports expertise often influences the design and engineering of their road cars, resulting in high-performance and track-ready vehicles. 8. McLaren Special Operations, MSO. MSO is McLaren's bespoke division, offering unique customization and limited production models for discerning customers. 9. Global presence. McLaren cars are sold and serviced through a network of dealerships around the world. 10. Future plans. McLaren continues to innovate in the automotive industry, with plans to expand its lineup, including hybrid and electric models, to meet changing environmental and market demands. In summary, McLaren is a prestigious British automaker known for its high-performance sports cars and a strong presence in motorsports. With a commitment to cutting-edge technology and craftsmanship, McLaren continues to be a prominent player in the luxury automotive market. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share, comment, and subscribe.